Right? Wrong place. Right. So yeah, more around the west. This area is pretty good to get sulfur yourself if you really wanted to just get a supply, but I'd rather just auto farm it. There we go. That's the spot. Only problem about this spot is that it's a little bit close to enemies. But I mean, we're pretty strong, so it doesn't matter that much. Alright, so first things first, establishing the base. About more or less here. While the node could be a little bit more to the left. But like here. About right. Yeah. Alright, now we need to get a bit of rock so we can start making at least a barrier. We don't have our helpers get into trouble.